Following the flood of 2019, just 8 years after the flood of 2011, Governor Pete Ricketts and his Republican counterparts from Iowa and Missouri met behind closed doors with the Army Corps of Engineers, walked out, and demanded changes.
We have to do something different along the river. That this is not going to be acceptable for us to continue experiencing these flooding episodes.
But the three are short on specifics, though they talked of possible changes in federal laws that govern the Corps, which recently admitted it had a hand in the problem.
The water releases did play a part in the flooding. There was no way to prevent the releases from Gavin's Point Dam. The pool was full. The flood control there is very, very small.
Should the Corps have thought of something else?
Well, this is one of the things that we talked to the Corps about. I think one of the things that, and this goes back decades when this decision was made, was Gavin's Point is not really designed to have much storage capacity in general. And I think it gets back to looking at what's going on with the levee system on the Missouri, what are the other strategies, speeding up this permitting process so we can actually make some of these changes so that we can actually get this done in a timely manner. So, if, for example, if we had this in place, maybe off it doesn't get flooded.
Do you second guess the Corps' decision?
Well, certainly it's one of the discussions we had with the Corps with regard to how they would manage. I think given again, how much water was coming in through the Platte, which was not controlled, versus what was happening at Gavin's Point, I think that's a relatively small part of the overall what's happening on the Missouri.
The three will wait to hear more from the Corps. That later this month. Meanwhile, the cleanup continues. In Omaha, Joe Jordan, News Channel, Nebraska.